This week, for my fellow aviation enthusiasts, is landing footage taken on board the Aer Lingus A320 on a flight from Birmingham to Dublin in December 2018. If you're looking for a full review of this flight, a link to that is on the screen now. And don't forget, if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button below for weekly flight reviews and regular takeoff and landing videos. Enjoy the landing.
Very shortly now, may go final check that your seatbelt is securely fastened.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're delighted to welcome you to Dublin, where the local time is now approaching 9:05. For your safety, please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign overhead has been switched off. Please ensure you check the area around you, including the seat pocket in front of you, for all your travel documents, mobile phones and tablet devices. Please remember to take great care while opening the overhead lockers in case any item may become dislodged during this flight and may fall out, causing injury to you or to another passenger. You'll always find the best prices on flights, car hire, hotels and travel insurance on your website at airlingus.com. So finally, on behalf of your Captain Ray Kelly and all your crew on board, it's been an absolute pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you on another Aer Lingus service in the very near future.